everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. These are called D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and they really are just like little drops of sunshine because they give you such a beautiful color. I use this every day. I don't wear foundation or anything anymore. I just use this. You mix it in with your moisturizer, so put a little dab of moisturizer on your hand, add a few drops of this, and then just mix it together and apply it to your face just like you would your moisturizer regularly. And it just gives you beautiful glowing color, makes you look tan, makes you look like you just got back from vacation. These are my absolute favorite. I have been using these for over a year. I love that I don't have to wear foundation. These are just so great. It does come in this 1 fluid ounce size bottle, and then it does have this little dropper right here. So you just drop a couple drops into your moisturizer, like I said. This has no silicones, no fragrance, no oils. It's really pure. It has cocoa extract in it to give it the color, so there's no dyes either. It's not going to tan your skin permanently or give you a tan. It just gives you color for the day and then it washes off. So it's not committal. You don't have to worry about your tan fading and getting crackly looking like with self tanners. So this is just a really great go-to. Like I said, I've been using this for over a year. If you are looking for something that's just going to give you a little boost of color every day, you don't have to wear your foundation. You can just put on moisturizer and be good to go. I would highly recommend you look into this, and I hope this was helpful. So thank you.